Morning, everybody. It's 8:14 a.m. on Monday, the 4th, beginning of a new week, beginning of a new quarter. Um, and it sickens me to listen to the bullshit that goes on and comes out of the mouth of people like Jared Bernstein, who is Biden's economic council guy, talking about jobs, talking about participation rate. Uh, I mean, it's just unbelievable to listen, and you hear that this president has created almost 8 million jobs since coming into office at the height of a global pandemic, where unemployment is 10%. How difficult is it to produce jobs? I mean, it's the exaggeration of it is just absurd. The labor force participation rate is edging up, and yes, I give them props for that. But the fact is, Bernstein says that the labor market is in balance. It's not in balance. They're just short of 12 million JOLTS number last month, job openings. And he talks about how, the president mentions inflation in every speech that he gets. Yes, he does. I agree. Except that all he's doing is blaming Putin for our inflation and our high gas prices. I mean, get a clue. Okay, Elon Musk, now that I'm off my soapbox, Elon Musk reported a 9.2% position in Twitter. Pretty amazing. I have no clue what he's going to want to do with it or about it. He says it's for passive investment. The stock is trading just under 49, up about 9.5 or 24%. Tesla reported deliveries of 310,048 cars in the first quarter. That came over the weekend. The stock is trading at about 1,093. That's up about $8 or 0.7%. The issue there is that the street was expecting more. And Polestar, one that we have been very actively discussing in the Discord room, and in fact had great discussion about it last night. Everybody was right, I was wrong, but of course I didn't understand or expect that there was going to be an announcement this morning. Hertz buying 65,000 of the Polestar cars for their rental fleet. The stock is traded as high as 13.90, currently trading 12.70, up $1.24 or 11%, I guess. All those people that I wanted to bet 10:45 before 12:45 have me. Okay, futures. We have the corn up about $12. The grains in general are up across the board, with the exception of lowly little oats, and it's only down a penny. Gold was trading overnight below 100 on a fairly steady basis, has turned back up now, 101.05, up $1.78. Nat gas is up a nickel. Gold is up 13. Silver is up 30 cents. The cattle and those markets are not yet open. Cotton up another $1.48. I don't know how some of these companies are going to survive with cotton up here. This is roughly double the price of its traditional value, and it has run here from this breakout at about 121, ran all the way up to $1.42. Flagging out here, looks like it's getting ready for another break to the upside. Let's see. Coffee. up a dime, so nothing there. Sugar up 17 cents, so really not much there. And the lumber hasn't opened. S&P's up 6.5, Nasdaq up 47, Dow up 4. Bitcoin down a little, and Ethereum up a little. And the bonds came all the way down to under 149 again, and have traded back up a bit. It's kind of a narrow range day. As I mentioned over the weekend, we really kind of need to see it break out of what looks like a little flag here, and that would entail a close higher than Wednesday's 150.02. All right, everyone, be careful out there. I still am not crazy about this market, even though it looks like it's going to open up. But I'd be very wary. Have a good morning.